Welcome to Network John. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of network engineering and IT? You're in the right place. From mastering the intricacies of subnetting to conquering the challenges of network security, we've got you covered. No jargon, no complications, just practical insights and hands-on tutorials that will boost your confidence in the world of IT. Let's move on to our Ccna quiz for interview and exam preparation. Get ready to unlock the power of networks with us. 1. Question: which of the following is a valid IP4 address? A. 192.256.10.1 B. 172.31.256.1 Circa 10.0.0.255 D. 300.0.0.1 Answer: circa 10.0.0.255. The valid range for each octet in an IP4 address is 0 to 255. Therefore, 10.0.0.255 is a valid IPv4 address. 2. Question: what is the purpose of a subnet mask? A. Identify the network portion of an IP address. B. Identify the host portion of an IP address. C. Determine the default gateway address. D. Assign a unique identifier to each device on the network. Answer: A. Identify the network portion of an IP address. Explanation: a subnet mask is used to divide an IP address into network and host portions. It helps routers determine the network to which an IP address belongs. 3. Question: what is the function of ARP, Address Resolution Protocol? A. Translate domain names to IP addresses. B. Resolve IP addresses to MAC addresses. C. Facilitate communication between devices on different networks. D. Establish a secure communication channel. Answer: B. Resolve IP addresses to MAC addresses. Explanation: ARP is used to map an IP address to a corresponding MAC address on a local network. 4. Question: what is the default administrative distance for OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, in a Cisco router? A. 90 B. 100 circa 110 D.120 Answer: circa 110. OSPF has a default administrative distance of 110. Now, let's move on to the next question. 5. Question: which layer of the OC model is responsible for logical addressing and routing? A. Data link layer. B. Network layer. C. Transport layer. D. Session layer. Answer: B. Network layer. The network layer is responsible for logical addressing, such as IP addresses, and routing. 6. Question: what is the purpose of a VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network? A. Increase the speed of network connections. B. Divide a physical network into multiple logical networks. C. Encrypt data transmissions between devices. D. Provide power to network devices. Answer: B. Divide a physical network into multiple logical networks. 7. Question: which routing protocol uses the Bellman-Ford algorithm? A. OSPF-B. RIP, Routing Information Protocol. C. IGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. D. BGP, Border Gateway Protocol. Answer: B. RIP, Routing Information Protocol. RIP uses the Bellman-Ford algorithm for routing decisions. 8. Question: what is the primary function of a DHCP server? A. Assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. Encrypt data transmissions. C. Filter network traffic based on IP addresses. D. Manage domain name resolution. Answer: A. Assign IP addresses to devices on a network. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is used to automatically assign IP addresses to devices on a network. 9. Question: which of the following is a private IP4 address? A. 172.16.1.1. B. 192.168.1.1. Circa 200.0.0.1. D. 10.10.1.1. Answer: B. 192.168.1.1. Addresses in the range 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255 are reserved for private use. 10. Question: what is the purpose of NAT, Network Address Translation? A. Encrypt data transmissions. B. Assign unique MAC addresses to devices. C. Translate private IP addresses to public IP addresses. D. Facilitate communication between devices on the same network. Answer: C. Translate private IP addresses to public IP addresses. NAT is used to allow devices with private IP addresses to communicate with devices on the Internet by translating private addresses to a public address.